गोंयच्या परिस्थिती जर पळयत 2 लाख लोक फ्रॉम 5th मार्च 2017 सून आयज मायनिंग बंद जाल्ल्याक लागून कामांतल्यान आनी नोकरेंतल्यान धंद्यांतल्यान ठप्प जाल्यात. ताच्या बद्दल सरकार आयज करया फाल्यां करया फक्त मोठी आश्वासनां दीत आहा. कॉन्क्रिटली जे सरकारान करूंक जाय आसलेली, जी जबाबदारी घेवंक जाय आसलेली ह्या मायनिंग लोकां खातीर आनी ह्या मायनिंग धंद्या खातीर, ह्या पर्यावरणा खातीर, गोंयच्या खातीर, गोंयकारां खातीर ह्या सरकारान आजुनूय कांयच करूंक ना. कांयच करूंक ना. कोविड येवच्या पयले कांयच करूंक ना. कोविड येवन आनी फक्त स्लोगनियरींग आनी नारेच दीत आहा आनी लोकांक फटयत आहा. दुसऱ्या वाटेनी तुजे टुरिजम इंडस्ट्री ठप्प जाला. लगभग 1.5 लाख लोक आनी ह्या नौजवान आनी लोक सगळे आयज टुरिजम इंडस्ट्री बंद जाल्ल्याक लागून मार खाला आनी गांवांनी एक भशेचे दुयेंस आनी बेकारी हे वाडलेली आहा आनी लोक सारको खतिश्ट आहा, दुखान आहा, त्रासांत आहा, वळवळे काडटा. हाच्या बद्दल कोणाक कितें पडलेलें आहा. सो ह्या परिस्थितींत वी वॉन्ट टू डिक्लेअर that we are planning for an all India strike. The central trade unions have all met and have taken stock of the emergent situation that has arisen regarding the working class, the toiling people, the poor, and have decided to wage a relentless struggle. So as a result, we are meeting nationwide militant protest काल 23 तारीख सप्टेंबर कालच जाला. जशें जाल्यार 28 सप्टेंबर आमी नॅशनल कन्व्हेन्शन घेवपाचें ऑल ट्रेड युनियन्स थ्रू आउट द कंट्री. एंड बाय 12th October the Defence Federation workers are going to go on a strike. Most probably, and it is very likely, that by the end of October we will be going on an all India strike by all the workers all over the country, no matter what, with all the restrictions and kind of roadblocks that are there put by the government. We are going to go on a struggle and all India agitation. So we request you all to kindly put our concerns before the people. One day strike followed by an indefinite agitation after the 20th of October 2020.
Date not at fixed.
Date will be decided by central trade unions. But we are all working together and planning together, because the kind of changes that are made, especially in the labor law, like the fixed term contracts and other legislations against the working class, that cannot be countenanced. And therefore, plus the other, it's the government, this government has disturbed the entire fabric of the society in the country.